This is Tabloidazzi on xvala.com. You know, the phenomenon of private equity is like everything else. It's the outgrowth of a trend that has come about because of desperate, unrelated, chaotic events that result in guys who have vision realizing extraordinary success. And clearly, when the tax laws were written for partnerships, you know, as I read today in the New York Times, it's three guys in a garage. And maybe they survive to doing a tax return. But out of that, and out of the collapse of the stock market in 2000, the ensuing recession in 2001, the extraordinary human tragedy of 9/11, has emerged as a result of extraordinarily low interest rates and a real serious trimming of overhead. Companies that are churning real profits but not realizing their economic potential in terms of their stock price. And these guys, recognizing that, have used this form of partnership in a way that historically they've never been used. And or at least not since 1986, when the Reagan administration changed the tax laws on the depreciation of commercial real estate. So, you know, these guys emerged in these private equity deals, spending huge sums of money, both investors' equity and structured debt, and truly have reshaped the landscape. And that combined with the federal tax law known as Sarbanes-Oxley really results in a whole move away from the public vehicle because of its new onerous requirements. So, you know, all the brightest minds have moved or are moving toward private equity. Now, having said that, along comes the Democratic Congress, and they're trying to grab some tax revenue. And this thing is going to be a poster child because it's coming out right before Blackstone goes public, which refocuses the entire model of Blackstone's ability to generate cash. So we're faced with this remarkable circumstance where the Democrats are going to be able to grab the headline, have the evening news, and give us the impression that they're taking money from the rich. You know, at the end of the day, with all the publicity this is bringing them, it's not going to be that much money. But the publicity, not unlike higher gasoline prices, it's going to be phenomenal. And I think that as we watch this play out, we'll realize that American entrepreneurship ultimately is going to be used as the boogeyman. Not exactly our best effort.